That is so sweet. I love how they're loving that little boy.
So cute, so sad, but yeah, so sweet at the same time.
Love endures all. Love endures all. All right, outside tonight, Chopper 5 in the air over downtown. Nice hovering shot of our Tower of the Americas. Check it out. We were just zooming in on the Chart House restaurant, the one that rotates at 700 feet up. It's a good panoramic view of the city if you haven't enjoyed a meal at Chart House out here on the hill. Here we go. Winds are pretty calm here in the medical center. So we haven't seen the breeze so far, a little bit, but not like it was last week. It always does help. Right now, just over 10 miles an hour, south and southeast. Temperature still a warm 84, but with those winds south and southeast, you keep the dew point over 70. This air is humid. Another 100-degree free day. We have yet to hit it. 94 today, and that's still below average. 100s are down I-35, Pearsall and Cotulla. 98s to 88 actually at Eagle Pass. 90 at Rock Springs because they had some good rain today. So did Kerrville, but they squeezed out a 94. 93 today in New Braunfels. With all this heat, keep in mind the humidity is in place and it's going to feel very warm. Heat index 99 to 100 tomorrow afternoon. So we'll kind of clip the very hot between noon and 2 and then maybe again around 4 p.m. So if you're going to be walking the dog tomorrow, please remember the 5-second rule. You put your hand down on the pavement. If you can keep it on the pavement for 5 seconds, you're good to go. Because look at this. You go to 90, we'll be at least 91, closer to 97 tomorrow. That means 145 on concrete. And if it's asphalt, that means 150 to the touch. That'll burn a dog's paw real quick. All right, temperatures overnight are going to stay mild with partly cloudy skies, upper 70s through the middle hours of overnight, maybe a low around 77. We should be partly cloudy. No big risk of fog, but maybe a brief sprinkle with some low clouds. There's still some good rain up around Lubbock tonight, some scattered showers west of Del Rio, but it got real active over the Texas Hill Country. In fact, we had 2 aerial flood advisories, one near Kerrville, one that's still in effect north of Del Rio. Both of these areas got a lot of rainfall. Look at the deposit just south of Kerrville, more than 2.5 inches, and then north of Del Rio, 3 inches. So this is going to be good for the aquifer. Now just 6 feet away from stage 1 water restrictions. Hard to believe. After all the spring rain, we're getting closer to stage 1. Few scattered showers tomorrow. I think only a 20 or 30% chance in the city, but if you're west, hill country and southwest, 40 or 50% chance of a few heavy downpours. To the tropics, Fred makes landfall. Grace begins to strengthen. The former of the 2 first, you can see right around Panama City, gained some pretty good strength at landfall. Now a pretty big storm. Only 40-mile-per-hour winds tonight, moving north-northeast, starting to spread out and weaken. Now down to Grace, which is a tropical depression expected to move towards the Gulf of Mexico. One rogue model takes it into the eastern Gulf, but the model consensus is across the Yucatan Peninsula and then becoming a hurricane in the southern Gulf. Right now, it looks like it stays south of even South Texas. 7-day forecast time, 30% chance of a couple showers again Tuesday, Wednesday. We're staying mid-90s just about all week.